Guys, I am back again, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to start up a YouTube channel. Now recently I decided to put up tutorials out there for a lot of young people who want to go into a side hustle or something just to bring in extra income. Yeah, we all know what the world is like today, and everybody is just like trying to get something to add up to what they already have. And in one of the points I gave, I'll be dropping the link just up there. And in the video I talked about different side hustles you can do, and in one of them I mentioned starting a YouTube channel. And in today's video I am going to be talking about how to start up a YouTube channel. When I talked about these tutorials about YouTube, trust me, it's not in one video. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, just do well to subscribe so that you will be in the know of every video I drop about YouTube, in fact social media, because even on Facebook you can monetize. I remember mentioning it in that video that you can monetize your Facebook account, even in as much as you're in Africa. Yes, it's not kind of, it's actually not so easy to monetize, but there is a way people go about these things. I'm going to be doing a video on that too. So guys, if you're a young person like millennials, you're Gen Z, and you're thinking about it, you're just home, you're not doing anything, or you're even busy, like you have a 9-to-5 job and you were thinking of something to do to use as extra income for you, and you like media engagement, I'm going to be showing you a video illustration of how to go about starting a YouTube channel. But before that, let me quickly read out everything, like the points you need to know when you're starting up a YouTube channel. First of all, you need to have a Gmail account. Yes, in my previous video I said it that YouTube is owned by Google. So YouTube is just like a video search engine of Google. The same way you type how to do certain things on Google is the same way you can type how to do certain things on YouTube. In YouTube case, a lot of creators have done these videos to solve problem for others, and you know what it is when you're solving problem. As you're solving problem, you are making money. The more engagements you get on your videos, the more views you get on your videos, the more YouTube pays you. So you're going to start by having a Google account, not a Yahoo account. That is a Gmail account. Now I know a lot of people are used to doing these things on their phone. Yes, there's nothing wrong with actually using your phone, but when you want to do YouTube big time, it's actually advisable you use a laptop. It's not like you don't have the phone version, but phone is going to give you a shorter interface of what a laptop is going to give to you. So in the video illustration I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be giving you a laptop or a MacBook illustration. The same thing can be done on the phone, but phone is always a shorter version, it's just a full version. But when you're using your laptop, it's a bigger interface. So number two, if you're using a phone, you need to download YouTube Studio. Now a lot of people who watch YouTube don't actually know there's something called YouTube Studio. Yeah, this is common with YouTubers. So YouTube Studio is actually where you monitor everything happening on your YouTube channel. For example, you just come on YouTube, you're watching a lot of videos, you're seeing a lot of things. Whoever is the owner of that YouTube channel you're watching actually has what they call a YouTube Studio. It's in their YouTube Studio, they know which video is doing so well. It's from their YouTube Studio, they know the engagement. You'll be seeing your algorithm. Like your algorithm is like your graph, how you're doing well, how this video is better than this, the exact number of followers you have or subscribers you have, the exact money you made on a particular video is on your YouTube Studio. You get to see that. So you have to download a YouTube Studio. Of course, I want to believe you already have a YouTube app on your phone. The YouTube app is just when you want to create or upload a video, but on your YouTube Studio, that is your back office, your back end office. Same way you have on Facebook. On Facebook it's called Creator Studio. On YouTube it's called YouTube Studio. What you're going to be seeing now is my video presentation of how to create a YouTube channel, how to customize the channel, and so many other things you can do. So guys, here we go. So I'm going to be using my MacBook and illustrating to you how you go about it. Now here's the drop down you get when you click on your little icon showing your name on your Gmail account, and it says create a YouTube channel. Like you see it when the drop down comes out, you just see create a channel, and in my name I say okay, ask Jummy. So it says create channel. So there you go. I click on create channel, and that is it. Your channel is created. Yes, it's taking a few minutes. Yeah, so there you have it. Channel has been created, but you need to get your page customized. Like you need to get your channel customized. So I'll be taking you through the step you need to know when you're customizing your channel. Don't forget, I am doing this on a MacBook. You can actually have this same option where you're doing it on a phone. On your phone, just click on the picture where you have your Gmail. It's going to also give you that option. So in trying to customize your channel, by customizing your channel means putting your picture and everything, it takes you straight to your YouTube studio. Like I said, YouTube studio is your back end where you do a lot of things. Now in trying to upload a picture, yeah, you already have a picture you want to use for your channel. There you have it. The other thing you have there is your banner image. Banner image is when you come on a YouTube channel, the picture you see on top of that channel is your banner image. That's your layout. Then the next is your branding. As you can see, that channel customization, you see your layout is your pictures and all that. Then you have your branding, how to make yourself very, very unique, and your basic information is the next. So we're going to be doing all that one after the other. So you upload your picture, pick any of the pictures you want, of course a very unique picture to attract people to your channel. Then you get that updated, or you upload it on your page. Pick from any of the pictures there, right? So yeah, you try to like make it. And remember I told you that there are different frame sizes that have already been customized for this thing. So yeah, look at that picture I put. Don't mind me, this is just a new channel. So there you upload your banner. In this banner, I will need to put you through how it is done. This is what a banner looks like I said. So now you have your banner, you go to this is exactly what it looks like on my own page. Now there are apps which are used to create like Canva. Now Canva, for those of you that are used to Canva is like a designing app, an editing app. It has a lot of things you can do. They already have all the frame sizes. These are like templates that are used for these things. So because I use Canva a lot, you can design your banner on Canva, and Canva already has the exact frame size. So they have also templates. These are templates here you can see scrolling down that can help you. So I picked one of the template because I'm just doing a sample for you guys. I'm not changing anything here. I'm just going to download it. You see, this is already an exact frame size that is used on YouTube. You have your Facebook, anything you want to do on Facebook, your posters, they're already frame sizes that are default templates for you. So I'm just uploading this. I'm not doing anything, I'm not correcting anything. But of course, when you're doing it yourself, you will need to do it to your taste. So I just want to put you through how to download all of this. So you quickly click on your download, click on your upload, then you have it there. So on your what's it called, YouTube Studio, you're going to see the version, what is going to look like on your desktop, what is going to look like on your phone, and what is going to look like here. Are you seeing the different frame sizes and how it's going to look? You can see that this fits perfectly because it's an already made template on Canva. So you click next and you can see it appear right on my screen. So this is exactly what it looks like. Like I said, you can do your own thing. This is just a default. In my case, I just did something very, 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 very simple. I didn't need something too bulky, don't mind me. And the next is your video watermark, and then you click publish. Once you publish it, it is going to be on the page. So our next is going to be your basic information. This has to do with your YouTube link, your Facebook links that can be added here, right here in your YouTube studio, your email address. So of course you have an email address you want people to reach you on, you put that in. Like these things are going to be, look at this, when you go to my own page about, you see everything clearly stated there because these are already existing YouTube channels. So this is what you get to see. So when you're doing it, this is what it looks like. These are where you impute. Is this in your basic information? You impute all these things. Like you can add your social links like your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and any other one you want to add, because you have 5 opportunities. You have 5 links you can add, and that's what you have right here. So you can add all the links. What you just do is go to your Facebook, go there, copy your Facebook link, copy your Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Just copy all of them and add them each to your YouTube studio. Now, before we end this video, there are things you need to know. You could see how you're able to create your channel. You have to upload your picture. You have to customize that channel. This is something I also need to put you through, how to get your page customized, because you need to understand there are different frame sizes YouTube use a different frame size from Facebook, from Instagram, and from TikTok. These are things you need to understand. The gadgets you need to have when you're starting a YouTube channel. Yes, I need to talk about this thing. Some people want to ask, do I need the biggest camera? What kind of camera do I need to use? This and all that. Yeah, I need to put you through what phone, what kind of camera, or whatever thing you need to do. What editing apps am I going to use? Yes, on YouTube you need to edit your videos. Right now, social media or all these social apps have their editing tools. So imagine you want to do a Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels, you have editing tools on them. That's the same way. So they make this thing so easy for a lot of people that you can actually know how to edit without being an editor. Like you don't need to be a big editor to know how to edit today. That's the same way. I need to put you through the apps you need to use. Of course, you don't need to use a very professional one if you're starting YouTube, you know. So you need to know this, how to create your thumbnail. For example, if you're watching a video on YouTube, the pictures you see that show up on before you click those videos, those are called thumbnails. You need to also know how to do that. Then how do I design these things? What apps do I need to use to design these things? You also need to know that. And also we're going to be talking about Facebook monetization, how to start making money on Facebook with just 100 followers. And if you want the other type, there's another option of creating or having up to 10,000 followers and all that. So how do I get monetized since I'm in Africa? This is another topic I am also going to be putting you through. So like I said, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Turn on your notification button so you'll be the first to see these videos I'm going to be dropping very soon. Yeah, lest I forget, I also need to put you through knowing your niche. What am I going to be niching down on? This is something you need to know when you're starting up a YouTube channel. Like, what am I going to be talking about on YouTube? Because a lot of people seem to be interested in these things. Then you know, be like, if I start YouTube now, what am I going to do? How you're going to plan yourself, you know, so that you don't run out of ideas. Like I said, sometimes as a creator, your brain is blank. Like sometimes your brain is blank. So how do you go about organizing yourself so you don't get blank, or you don't? Because there are people who are creators for over 10 years. Trust me, most of these creators are even repeating the same things, but you don't get to know because they change their thumbnail, change certain things on the videos, and they come up with new dress. But trust me, they are saying the same thing, maybe updated thing, but they still get views on these videos and they get paid so well for this. So I need to put you through the niche you need to know, because not all videos on YouTube you make the same money. That's the truth. For example, vlogging, vloggers don't actually make a lot of money. They make money, but compared to somebody who is doing tutorials, compared to somebody who is doing tech videos, compared to somebody who is doing finance videos, even food vloggers, yes, a lot of us watch food channels, but trust me, they don't make so much money because the CPM on these videos are not so high. What that means is that advertisers are not ready to pay so much money on these videos. So I'm going to be showing you how much advertisers pay on each video. This is also going to, guide you to know what niche you need to, go for. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, guys, still I come your way next time. So yes, I also vlog, so don't worry. I'm coming out with my vlogs very soon. I just needed to do this because I'm a year on YouTube right now. So I'm like, okay, celebrating my 1 year on YouTube, let me teach people who are still a little bit confused on what to do, how to go about creating content on YouTube. Like, my vlogs are still there. In fact, I wanted to actually, the channel you saw, I actually created that channel so I can be doing tutorials like this, but in my head I'm like, I have to monetize channel now on this YouTube space, and like creating a third one, it's already looking very, very cumbersome for me. So, you know, like, why not I just put it out there, since I already have a community here. So I know the people who are subscribed, because I talked about this thing on my Facebook and I said I was going to teach some months back and I never did. So I am doing it right now so that people know these things. Yeah, start making money on YouTube. All right guys, till I come your way next time. Bye.